let's take a look at this problem. We got 1/3 x plus 3/5 equals 4/15. Now our first step is to get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. So we go to our second step, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all our denominators. Well, let's take a look at finding the LCM of 3, 5, and 15. Now, first thing we do on finding the LCM of numbers is we write prime factorization of each number down. Now, 3 is prime, so I'll just write it over here. 5 is prime, so we write it over here. Now, to figure out 15, we can do our tree diagram. And what you do is you start with your first prime, which is 2. And you ask yourself if it's divisible by 2, and it's not. So we go to our next one, which is 3. And you ask yourself if it's divisible by 3, and it is. 3 times 5. Now 3 is prime, so we circle it. 5 is prime, so we circle it. So this would be 3 times 5. Now our LCM, we look at each prime. I'll start with the 3. And we're looking on the right side of the equals. And I'm looking for the greatest number of 3's on each single line. There's 1 here, none here, 1 here. So the greatest number of 3's on a single line is 1. Then I go to my next prime, which is 5. There's none here, there's 1 here, there's 1 here. And again, we're looking for the greatest number of 5's on a single line, which would be 1. Now you're not counting how many 5's there are. You're just looking for the greatest on any single line. So 3 times 5 is 15. So we're going to multiply everything by 15. So I take 15 times 1/3 x. I'll take 15 times 3/5. And I'll take 15 times 4/15. Now 15 and 3 are both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 and 15 both divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 15 and 15 both divisible by 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1. 15 divided by 15 is 1. So we're left with 5 times 1, or 5x, plus 3 times 3 is 9, equals 1 times 4, which is 4. Now step 3 says get everything with an x on one side and numbers on the other side. So I'm going to take this 9 and I'm going to move it to the right side. Now anytime you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. So the positive 9 becomes a negative 9. At any step, combine together like terms, combine together numbers. 4 minus 9 is negative 5. Step 4. Divide both sides by number in front of your x. Number in front of x is a 5, so I divide both sides by 5. And those 5's going to cancel. And negative 5 divided by 5 gives you a negative 1. So our answer is x equals negative 1.